Thursday's precise and important news. More than 5,000 addicts are under treatment. Maulvi Abdul Nasser Manqad, director of the 1,000-bed hospital in Kabul, says that 5,000 addicts are under treatment in this hospital. Mr. Manqad adds, with the arrival of the Islamic Emirate, it has treated 14,000 addicts. Drug addicts expressed their happiness for being taken care of. The drug addicts, which were collected some days ago for the purpose of treatment, are grateful to the Islamic Emirate for taking them to the hospital for treatment and giving them a new life. Its mentionable Ministry of Interior of Afghanistan has rounded thousands of drug addicts so far from Kabul. Survey of needy families completed in Lalpura and Achin districts. A survey of 1,500 vulnerable and poor families was completed by the ARCS in Achin and Lalpura districts of Nangarhar province, and soon the aid will be distributed to these surveyed families. Honorable Interior Minister visits the 300-bed hospital. Acting Interior Minister Khalifa Sirajuddin Haqqani paid a visit to the 300-bed hospital of the National Police. During his visit, Honorable Khalifa also promised to address the needs of the said hospital in his meetings with the officials and patients in the hospital. Several energy projects discussed during an official visit to Turkmenistan. Acting Minister of Water and Energy, Honorable Maulvi Abdul Latif Mansoor, returned to Kabul after his successful visit to brotherly country Turkmenistan. In the said visit, several topics such as the TAP project, completion of the 500 kV transmission line, and Nur al-Jihad substation were discussed with the Ministry of Energy officials of Turkmenistan. 23 people arrested for different charges. In the past 24 hours, National Police have arrested 23 people on charges of various crimes from different provinces of Afghanistan. 12th district cleared of urban disorder. Kabul municipality says that various areas of the 12th district of Kabul were cleared of urban disorder.